First, select between eat in or dine out. Second, select your meal and order. Select your drink and choose drink size. Remember to check your order before making payment. Third, select the mode of payment. Lastly, select between serve to your table or pack up the counter for getting your order. Enjoy your meal.